Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another tutorial coming at you with this beautiful abstract kind of cut crease look. I don't know, I tried to do something. I'm really not as good with liners, but this look came out really cute. I really like it. I tried to do something way different. The liners always give me the plucks. Still find a way to conquer this look, okay? Because what? It's so cute. I want to do all matte, so I want to do like matte lip, matte eyes. Like, I don't know, I'm just feeling this matte vibe. I definitely want to show y'all this look, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching.
Ain't nothing to it, real one. Ain't nothing to it, boss. Ain't nothing to it, real one. Ain't nothing.
I'm back up in this thing. Alright, so I told myself I need to come back on here and do tutorials. Please let me know if y'all want a Q&A. I've been writing down some tutorials that I can bring to y'all. But, yeah. I switched my hair. Y'all know I stay with the ponytails. If it ain't nothing else, it's the ponytails. Like, if I'm not getting sent here, ponytails best. Because, especially when I do, like, bold looks, stuff like that, ponytails go to. Desi Lens. He's in the shade Delirious Honey with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. You already know, to tame these brows. So, what make me, if I had like long full eyelashes, I think it would look better because, ooh! What make me, if I had like long full eyelashes, I think it would look better because, ooh! I better go outside. It's really landing on my face. Do I like some shit? Take my brow fluid. This is from MAC. This is Deep Dark Brunette. I'm only gonna put it at the ends, and I want to take the pencil and put it in front. So, like with the hair that's going on right now, I don't want my eyebrows to, y'all not even gonna see them no way, but I want a lighter tone brow. Beauty Slim, Ultra Slim pencil in the shade Brunette. We got our brows on. We don't do the front. You know that. Y'all know. Tarte Sand Tan or Tarte Deep Sand and MAC Krylon went together. Showstop is Beauty in the number 2. This is a perfect color. Now I'm going to take Plouise Base in the shade number 5. This color right here, right there. Just make sure your base and no creases or anything in your base. Going to just on the outer V area. Going to do some artistic shit that go all the way in the front area. We'll take that color. I don't know the name of this color. I'm gonna take my 221 and I want to go back in with that last shade. It's a little deeper. And I don't want to fight it. So I'm taking this ABH Cosmetics brush and I'm taking some of that brown because we did use black. And kind of just blend that brown into the black brown. Trying to do this thing where, but I'm about to, I haven't did my brow bone in a long time, so across just a little bit. Plouise Base number 2. This is a fat ass base. Let me show my hand. Okay, this fly pissed me off. I'm gonna take Jawbreaker, the shade I use on my brow bone. So I'm gonna be using a C467 brush to apply that, and it's only gonna be right here in this inner corner because I want everything else to be matte. This is cream one, so I want like nude shade. I'm gonna grab this shade right here. It's like a peachy shade. It's called Cone. Go back in and blend everything out.
How was your day, baby?
Long as fuck. Also, this is the eyes. It came out too cute. Ooh. Okay, so are you about to go in the room? Primer is really good, and then I go with Becca. I'm looking if you find it. I like to go with Becca because it's like matte on the food. Thank you. Yeah. Why are you laughing at me, baby? What's funny? I am going to take my Glama bronzer, Glama bronze in the shade Phenom, Morphe E4 brush, and I am still baking. I want to smoke it out. Huda Beauty, Resting Box Face, bitch. So I'm gonna do my hair and I'm gonna come back with the finished look. Thank y'all so much for tuning into the tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And tell me what you think about the tutorial. Do you like the old me versus my old looks? Y'all like when I used to come on here and be like, it's whatever, like any color. Y'all want me to go back? Like, let me know. Contacts I did say in this video. Don't forget to go check them out if you want to know or want to buy some contacts. Desio has the best contact lenses ever. Press that bell button, y'all, if y'all want to see more looks from me. And also subscribe. Y'all can subscribe right there down below. I'll see you guys on the next video.